Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video here we're going to be fixing up this monster truck ride height I've got going on at the moment. So at the moment we've got stock springs in here, and I just picked up these used skunk 2 lowering springs. So we're going to be chucking these in today. These cost me $280, so it's not bad, but in the long run I'm still on the hunt for some coilovers. But these will do for now. Let's see how low they go. So I think this will be about the 4th or 5th time I've lowered an EF. So yeah, it should be pretty quick. Shouldn't take me too long, but I've got all the tools as well. I think my brother's going to help me out as well, so we were talking about having a race on who can do a side faster, so it should be pretty interesting. So without further ado, let's get this car jacked up and let's get started. Can we also just take a moment to appreciate how ghetto the setup is? It's on a slight hill on the gravel, and if you've ever worked on the gravel before, you'll know it is horrible. But we have these plywood sheets here that we can chuck underneath and make life a little bit nicer for us on the gravel. I think I should be able to beat my brother pretty easily. He's done lowering springs install before on his Skyline here, but his EF came lowered already, so I don't think he's actually ever lowered an EF, but he's done a Skyline here. Nice. All right, let's get into it. Alright, so we got the car jacked up. Liam's here, say hi Liam. And now we're going to have a race, so I'm going to be doing this side, he's going to do that side. And oh, it's already here. And both got the same rattle gun, etc. Yeah. And we're just going to be taking it out to start with, so yeah, let's go. Yeah, so what's going on, I got it set up. Got a 14, 17, a 12mm on the extension, and a 17mm. I've taught Liam how to do it. I honestly think I could get this shock off in 45 seconds, I'm gonna say. Liam's got his tool set up, ready to race. I'm gonna put the phone here, and let's go. Ready? Yep. Set. Go. Alright, so I got mine out. Liam's still going away.
On the back here.
What is it?
Is it 14? I'll get the...
Yeah, 12.
Who's this?
You want the 12mm extension? Nice. Alright, next job is, now we got the both springs out, we're just going to use our spring compressor here and get both the stock ones off. Already started at putting in the other side. Looking good. And here's just a quick side-by-side comparison of the skunk 2s versus the stock ones. As you can see, much shorter and tighter spring. So it should improve the handling and also give us that lower look that we're looking for.
not bad.
That's alright.
Good drop. Oh yeah, that's nice.
That's decent, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's all good. Alright, so the fronts are done. That's about the drop I was expecting. But yeah, now it's time to move on to the back. Alright, so we got the one side in. It's pretty high at the moment, but we also have the other side jacked up. Liam's just getting in the battery terminal now on the strap bar. Tying it up the top. Tying it up down there. Looking good. Drop its nuts, cuzzy. Not bad, not bad.
A little bit of settle as well.
Alright, now that we got my car lowered, it's now time. We're gonna take this straight pipe off my brother's car because he thinks it's too loud. Hey, what do you think about that straight pipe, brother?
It's disgusting.
Disgustingly loud and raspy. So yeah, one last start up of the straight pipe. Okay. Oh! Yeah, boy! What a menace. This car looks so clean on camera. Oh my. As we come over to the graveyard of our little parts pile, we have his stock R32 shocks, some E30 bottle cap wheels, stock Skyline wheels, and here is the exhaust that he took off. It's actually surprisingly loud for what it is. Yeah, I don't think it's a stock one. There's my stock one off mine, but yeah, here it is. It's got some holes in it for extra mana. Let's get it on.
While he's doing that, just give you a walk around in my car. You guys have seen it on the channel before. This is my 1989. This is the pre-facelift, so with the ugly face. It's a EF or ED hatch, I believe, but it's the GTI variant, so the fuel injected NZ new one. So it came with a leather interior, but these seats are both busted. Yeah, not too bad. The guy got it off at it was pretty in rough condition. Got the wheels, actually bought them off Fergus. He's the one those are the cheap ones that he cleaned up. I'm gonna show you under the hood. Just D16 Y6, I think, or the non Vtec D16 pretty much. Just with a cold air intake, and then it's got zip tie Civic under there. But yeah, nothing too fancy. Good little daily at the moment for my R32 over there. So yeah, and then we've also got my EG hatch, which I'm currently listing for sale. Yeah, that's a fuel injector model as well, NZ new. They're both NZ new, so both pretty rare. But yeah, this one's for sale. Alright, got the exhaust on. Here's what it sounds like. Got some rev left.
like the induction sounds good. Go, give it a rev. Let's hear it. Moon. So here's Liam's EG. It's a 1.5 SI.
1.5 or 1.6?
Oh, 1.6 litre
EG5.
fuel injected. It's an EG5. NZ new. It's manual. Absolute nanospec. And he's had it for probably, what, like 6 months? 7 months?
Something like that.
And he's kept it completely stocked, which is pretty buzzy. He's fat daily. He's actually got it listed for sale. And he might have a buyer for it this afternoon, so we'll see. Alright, so the springs are settled. And fitment's pretty good actually. I reckon I'm really happy with that. It's very usable. I think there's like a 2-finger gap there. 1 finger at the back. Looks super good. I'm so happy to see, like, this car looks so cool now. The exhaust looks so much better. And I haven't even driven it yet, so I don't know how it handles. Yeah, this thing looks great, especially for lowering springs. I'm still gonna look around for some adjustable suspension to put on it, because I think this lowering springs is just like another short-term option for me, because I just got sick of seeing this thing like a monster truck. So yeah, success. Let's take her for a drive now and see how she handles. Alright, so first impressions. This car feels absolutely amazing. I'm so happy with these. This is planted now. This is what an EF should feel like. I didn't realise how boat here was. Holy heck. Yeah. Lovely. Really happy with these. Obviously you can't tell how well it handles on the camera, but man, that made a huge difference. And they're not like too harsh as well. Our driveway is pretty really rough, and it wasn't like clunking around or anything, and there's no weird noises coming from it. So overall, really happy. Success. This is probably where I'm going to end today's video, so if you enjoyed it, leave a thumbs up, maybe drop a comment, tell me what we can do better, what you want to see more of, etc. But yeah guys, I'll see you in the next episode.